Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in today lecture, I gonna share about how to use hyperlink animation in FactoryTalk View Studio. If you new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. So let's see what is hyper. Let's see what is hyperlink animation. So with the help of hyperlink animation, you can open any link or website on your computer from Google Chrome or from Edge, or also you can open any PDF file from your computer. You can apply hyperlink animation on polygon and also. So first I will be explain on polygon how to apply hyperlink animation on polygon. I will be explain how to use polygon animation in from animation command wizard. So let's get started. It is already created my displays. If you follow this video, so you will be easily understand. So example display number 4, click on toolbar, take a polygon. You can use for on rectangle also, and rounded rectangle you can take on text. So first I will be cover. You can take any. You can apply hyperlink animation on any common object on text, arc, ellipse, freehand, line, polygon, polyline, rectangle, rounded rectangle, and also base. Click on rectangle. So it's rectangle and it is a property of the rectangle. Here fourth color means line color of rectangle. You can choose any color for line color. Example green. Click on apply. You can see here border color. Border color of the rectangle is green. You can change the width of the rectangle also. You can see here width has been changed. And back color and back style and back color. You can change back color. Example yellow. Apply. You can see here apply back color of the rectangle is yellow and border color of the rectangle is green. Click on apply. Right click, click on animation. You can see here easily hyperlink. Click on hyperlink. You can see browse the website and browse the address that is a represent address. It is a specify that is a represent link of the destination. And example you want to use Rockwell site with the help of hyperlink animation in from FactoryTalk View Studio. So first you want to copy URL that you want to open from FactoryTalk View Studio. So you can see link has been opened of Rockwell Automation. Not Rockwell Automation. You can open any other website or any other link from FactoryTalk View Studio hyperlink animation. So you want to first copy the link from here. It is a link http://www. So you can open, right click on the link, and also you can see here copy link address. Click on copy link address. After that open FactoryTalk View Studio, right click and Control V. Link has been pasted. Unwanted text will be deleted. And always remember, any link that you want to open from FactoryTalk View Studio, link will be start from double inverted comma, and also link will be stop uh, before the link will be double inverted comma, and after the link will be double inverted comma. Click on check syntax. You can see syntax is valid. Click on OK, apply, close and save. So first link is created, and I will be see both link and PDF both. So link and another you want to PDF. If you want to open PDF with the help of hyperlinks, click on hyperlink, expression, it will be deleted. Click. You can browse any file that you want to open from FactoryTalk View Studio SCADA. So example, you want to open a PDF. You want to open a PDF file from FactoryTalk View Studio SCADA, and so you can choose PDF from your computer. Example, manual PDF Rockwell, and you want to open Rockwell graphics SCADA FT view manual. You can see from start, before starting and after end of the, before start of the link and end of the link. Already here is a end of the link and before start of the link inverted comma. Click on apply, OK, close, save, and client will be, you can see client is running, client is opening. If you don't know how to create client, so please comment in the comment section how to open client in FactoryTalk View Studio. I will be make separate video on this topic. Click on run. So client is running. It will be take 1 to 2 minutes based on the your system processor. So it is display number 4. So first you want to write here you can write Rockwell Automation website. You can choose font that you, any font, bold, apply, OK. Animation will be copy, it will be group, Control G, and for second you can write FT means FactoryTalk View Manual. Click on font, Century, Cambria, apply, OK. It will be placed on, apply, OK. It will be placed on manual PDF, manual rectangle. Click on copy animation, it will be group, Control G. You can group of any polygon, button, or anything you want to group, so you can use Control and G button. ये तो यही है. Paste animation, it will be safe. You can see here in display 4 Rockwell Automation website and FactoryTalk View manual. Let's see one by one. First example, you want to open from FactoryTalk View Studio Rockwell Automation site open without open Chrome. So click on Rockwell Automation. You can see site is opening. It will take some time according to speed of the internet. You can see site has been opened of Rockwell Automation. You can see here how we are creating a future industrial operation at SPS Smart Production Solution. Join 14 to 12 to 14 November 2042 Germany Hall. So I think fire of the Rockwell Automation is on 14 November. Rockwell Automation will release every year new product. So in this year, I don't know what will be released. What going to release Rockwell Automation? Click on manual. So you can see manual of the FactoryTalk View Studio is open. Example, you want to give a link, you want to give access also in on this you want to give access to any other person, only manual on this in this computer. You can use this particular hyperlink animation. You can see again, click on link, click on rectangle. You can see here Rockwell Automation side is open. So thank you for watching my video. If you learned from my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update.